God. It's crazy, but it's true. Let's go. Superstar status, yeah. All dead presidents. Papa Seals on pints of red.
When you rich like this, you don't check the forecast. Every day it's gon' rain. Yeah, made a brick do a brick. I ain't whip up shit.
I'm a classic man. You can be mean when you look this clean. I'm a classic man.
Yeah, young Metro,
Yeah.
I don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you.
Ay, you get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it.
Oh, this sunlight. Look at this sunset. After a very long day of shopping, and this car decides to turn when I want to walk backwards and vlog. Oh, great. I should record you. You want me to hold my camera like this from now on? Because this is a lot of extra.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
I can't even see him. I have glasses on. I hate when the sun is not at the right angle, so I still look black. Oh, nobody's holding the thing up there because I can't see. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Tell them to subscribe. You're doing it?
That's a nice rock right there.
Daddy left us out. Pushed you out the way. Oh man. Definitely need that cold water now.
That wasn't too bad. She has short steps. Oh, why did I think she was over here? No, she's always over here. Oh, there's the other staircase right there. Is this her door?
I hope so.
You said it was open. I didn't put a shirt on. Don't hold me.
Oh. Hey, Liam.
Hi, guys. Y'all ran up the steps, didn't you?
No.
Elevator was taking forever.
No.
We didn't even try the elevator. Oh man.
Hi, guys. Oh, okay.
How are you doing?
What's up?
There's so many people at the pool, dude.
It's a, they're having some party here.
Man, I can't even see it.
Jesus.
There for some reason.
Hey, buddy. Hey, your plant is doing pretty good.
Which one? That?
I don't know off the top of my head, but it's the latest and greatest.
You just gave him one? Is that how much they eat?
13 bars for breakfast. Just like the best.
Though I was just sleeping on a sofa. Now I ride with a pay chauffeur because I'm way dope, but better stay sober.
Purchase your tracks today.
Want to taste it?
What's going on, guys? Still doing school shopping, and today I really just need some more shoes and some black pants. And yeah, changed the color of my hair for those that don't know yet. Well, I guess you wouldn't know because it's in this video. But yeah, dyed my hair. This is not the final color. Y'all will see that in like a back to school, get ready, something like that. But yeah.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light.
Man, I'm so ugly.
Isn't it like after 4 now?
All this copyright, non-friendly music. I mean, we try.
Alright, where's Adidas?
Oh, my finger.
It's over there? Yeah. Oh, okay, cool.
Why are we the only vloggers in this mall? Why I look so dark?
So like security was kind of watching me.
Yeah, probably because you had a bag. Or the stroller.
Not even that, the cameras too.
Oh.
Who was watching you?
Security.
Oh.
Because I'm black. No, I'm kidding.
See, I already know I'm gonna get copyrighted for this song. It's the first time me sitting down all day. My back hurt. Yeah, I'm an ugly YouTuber. Get used to it.